Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad at bootstrapbizgrowth.com, and lately I've been talking a lot about the importance of online reviews and how they can help your business grow, how they can help get more customers and clients in the door. And I've had a few questions from some of my YouTube subscribers and people have seen my video, and one of those big questions is how do we set up a Yelp page? Because that's one of the primary review websites out there, and it's one that most businesses are going to need to be on because that's where a lot of your customers are going to leave reviews. So in this video, I want to show you how to get set up or how to claim your business on Yelp. So I'm going to pull up my screen really quickly here. I'm at yelp.com, and what I want to do is I want to scroll all the way down to the footer, and I'm going to click Claim Your Business. It's under Yelp for Business Owners. I'm going to click that link. And now it's going to ask for my address. So I'm going to type in my address. And I'm going to type in my business name. And what this will do is it's going to search Yelp. And if people have already started leaving reviews for your business, then you'll actually already have a Yelp page where there's tons of reviews already. If that's the case, you'll be able to go in there and prove that you're the business owner, and you're going to be able to claim that as your business. And that's going to allow you to start responding to comments and interacting and leaving offers for people leaving reviews. And you're really going to want to do that if you're a restaurant or a dentist or a local business. I'm guessing you probably already have a Yelp page set up, whether you are the verified owner or not. So it should pop up here. If not, like this business, my Bootstrap Biz Growth, I'm guessing that's not even on Yelp yet, which is why I want to show you how to set it up from scratch here. So I'm going to click Get Started, and let's see what happens here. I'm going to do, so there are no matches. That's what I guessed. Nobody has left me a review on Yelp because honestly, this isn't a great platform for an online business like mine. This is going to be more for local type businesses. But I'm going to do Add Your Business to Yelp. This is what you would do as well if your business is not already listed. Again, if it is listed, just go in there, follow the steps to claim it as your business and verify that you're the business owner. But this is going to be how to set it up from scratch if it's not already in Yelp. So here I would just come in here and type in the address. And I would do the website here. Categories. You start typing one in and it'll pop up with different options. So marketing, maybe we do consultant, see what comes up there. Do business. Just do some general searches and find something that comes up. So business consulting, that sounds about right. We do some web design here. So let's search for that. There we go. And that looks pretty good. So those are the categories. You'll just want to go through and find a few that are most relevant for your business. And I'll type in my email address here. Okay, and then I'm going to do Add Business. And now it says check your inbox to confirm your email address. So I'll pull this over. This is my that email. See if it comes in. So there's the email from Yelp. Confirm email address. And now it's going to ask me to start claiming. So I'm going to type in my name. I'm going to set up a password. I'm going to click Done. And so now it says what happens next. Your business page has been sent to the Yelp support team for review. Approvals typically take 2 days or less. Once your business is approved, we'll send you an email to let you claim it. Okay, so it's going to take a couple of days, and then I'm going to get an email that they'll send to me, and that is going to allow me to go through the process of claiming this as my business. And then once I have this Yelp page, I'll have a link to my Yelp page, and that is where I can take that link and I can share that with my customers and say, hey, thanks for shopping with us. Thanks for buying our product. Thanks for buying our service. Thanks for coming in. Blah, 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 blah. We would love it if you would give us a review at Yelp or at Google. Here's a link to do so. So I'd put that link right in there. So they click the link. It takes them right to our Yelp page or our Google page. And it is very, very easy for them to just start typing out their review so that other people can see about their experience and learn from them about their experience and hopefully hear all about how great of an experience they had with your business. That's the goal. We want those positive reviews. And this is going to make it really simple, and it's going to entice people because you're making it so easy for them to leave a review. That's the goal. You want to get that link right to your Yelp page. And if you do that, your reviews are going to go up. You're going to get more reviews. You're going to get better reviews. So as you can see, it's a really simple process to either set up your Yelp page or claim your Yelp page. Go do it right now if you haven't already. It doesn't matter what type of business you have. It's going to be beneficial to set up this Yelp page. So go do that. I hope this has been valuable. If you have any questions, drop us a message down below in the comment field. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you like this video. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this where we help you grow your business on a budget. That is the theme of this YouTube channel. So please subscribe. We have all kinds of tips, tools, and tech tutorials to help you grow your business on a budget to become a more effective entrepreneur. That's the theme of this channel. Please join the community, subscribe to the channel. And then lastly, I just want to thank you for stopping by. I'm really appreciative that you watched this video. Again, I hope you found some value, and we'll see you next time.